Well, Nikhat, many congratulations. A win after almost 20 months. Tell us your first reaction to this win.
It was a bit emotional and overwhelming winning again in front of the home crowd. Obviously, the feeling is surreal to win gold medal again after so many months. So hopefully ऐसे ही और मेहनत करते रहूं और ऐसे ही देश को प्राउड फील कराते रहूं.
You know, one of the things I'll have to tell our viewers from Asian Games to now, this is a long 20-month cycle now. You've remained yourself in 51 kgs. What does it really take for you to maintain yourself over a period of time in that weight category?
It takes hell of a discipline to maintain that weight category. And I'm a big foodie and I just love food, especially biryani is my favorite. So avoiding all that during your training sessions when you're at home, even when you're at home, abhi jaake to I will have it biryani. The first thing will be biryani.
Abhi, the next thing that you're going to do is have biryani.
Yes.
Okay.
I just already told my mom that कि मम्मी मैं घर आते मुझे ये सब बना के खिलाना है, because again after few days I'll be leaving for to IAS to prepare for the national championship. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि जितने भी दिन घर पे रहूँ, I want to just enjoy my food and then leave and start my training again.
अच्छा, अगला पड़ाव क्या है? What is the next big fixture for you that you're going to be focusing on?
The next thing will be Asian Championship, which is in March. So I wanna focus on that because उसके भी points ज़्यादा है, 800 points है for the gold medal. So hopefully अभी जितने भी competitions है सब point system ही है. So I just wanna earn those points and because that will be beneficial for me in upcoming Asian Games and Commonwealth Games to get seeding.
Nikhat, where were you when the Indian women's cricket team was winning the World Cup that night?
I was in Patiala and I was watching them winning the World Cup, and I was really happy for my friends Jemima, Smiti, Harmandi, everyone, Sneha. So yeah, I'm really happy and I want to congratulate them once again because they have come a long way. It was a journey to be remembered for them, and I'm really proud of each one of them.
You have been a world champion twice before. They've become world champion for the first time. Tell us the feeling of being a world champion.
I mean, what should I say? I mean, obviously, once you become a world champion, people start watching you, people start having expectations from you, people will start loving you. So I've seen recently Vogue India magazine in which
cover mein
there's Harman B and everyone's looking so damn good.
अच्छा, women's sport इससे up में जाएगा. You think there will be a wave for women's sport and a lot more attraction, a lot more focus will come on women's sport with the cricketers doing well. You guys are doing so well on the boxing stage. आपको लगता है वो ऊपर चढ़ेगा?
Definitely. I mean, the future is bright for Indian women athletes and the kind of love we are getting because after proving ourselves. So अगर वो पहले मिलता तो maybe story कुछ और होती, but still I'm glad that we are getting what we deserve, and I think the journey is बहुत बड़ी लंबी जर्नी है. पीछे तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Nikhat, let's end with the standing joke between us about Salman Bhai. क्या
बोलो यार, भाई मत बोलो. Why do you always say bhai?
I said that's a standing joke. So what's the message for Salman Khan?
Nothing. As I always say that I'm a huge fan of Salman Khan, and it was the best memory I had when I met him in Mumbai. Hopefully फिर से मिलूं और फिर से वो feeling महसूस करूं मिलने का, and I just wanna say I love you. That's it.
Inshallah, आगे बढ़ते रहो, and may you win many more medals, including a gold medal at the Olympic Games.
Inshallah. Thank you.